Hey, it's Joe Herbert, your Erie real estate agent, and I'm here with another great listing. 215 East 31st Street. It's a little over 1,500 square feet, 3 bedrooms, a full bath, full basement, 3-car parking in the driveway, and this house is an awesome value. Gas fireplace in the living room, comes with all the appliances including a washer and dryer, great workbench in the basement, kitchen completely redone. This is a gem, 97.9. Let's go check it out, come on. So we're inside of 215 East 31st Street, and I'm in this really awesome living room. And you can see behind me right here, that is a working gas fireplace. Carpets are real nice and clean. The room's wide open, and it flows right into this nice enclosed sun porch. From the living room, we flow right into a really nice sized formal dining room. Check it out, Matt. Let's go take a look at the kitchen. I love the way they opened up this wall so the kitchen flows and is open right into this dining room. And if you look right behind me, you got a butcher block, breakfast countertop, and you can have a couple of tall boy chairs right there. Now this kitchen has been completely redone. Let me tell you a little bit about it. They redid all the cabinets. They put some nice LED cans up above the butcher block breakfast counter, and a brand new luxury vinyl floor and some new appliances. We're in the basement, and it has a nice full basement, and as I mentioned, the washer and dryer included, and then over here to the right there's a huge workbench. The home also features a newer hot water tank and high efficiency furnace. So we're on the second floor, and again I mentioned there's 3 bedrooms up here and a full bath that's been completely redone. All the carpets up here are new, and each bedroom has a new ceiling fan. And in this large bedroom, which is considered the master, there's a huge mirror and 2 nice closets. Okay, we're in bedroom number 2, which is another nice sized bedroom, a big closet, new ceiling fan, and new carpet, and that's the case in all 3 bedrooms. Another beautiful thing about this house, besides the completely redone kitchen, is that this bathroom was completely redone. New vanity sink and faucet, new tub surround, and a brand new luxury vinyl floor and a new toilet. So we're in the backyard of 215 East 31st Street, and it's got a beautiful yard. It's got an out entry to the basement and parking in the driveway for 3 cars. So that completes our tour of our new listing, 215 East 31st Street. 97.9 for this, completely updated. Updated kitchen, updated bathroom. It's 1,500 square feet, 3 beds, full bath, a nice big yard, 3 cars in the driveway, full basement. This is a great one. Again, another good value. I'm Joe Herbert, your Erie real estate agent. And if you're thinking about buying or selling real estate, call me now, I can help. 814-602-6181. And don't forget, like, subscribe, and click the bell below if you want to see more great listings like this. Thanks for watching.